up everyone, today I am going to teach you about smoke photography. What is smoke photography? Smoke photography is a fun photography when light travels through smoke and creates beautiful abstracts. For this type of photography you don't need fancy equipment. Your entry level DSLR with a kit lens 18 to 55 or 18 to 135 will do wonders. What you need is a radio trigger and a flashlight. I will be using yongnuo 600EX RT flash with EN-E3 RT radio trigger, and upon that I will be putting a Maggrid from Magmod system. I will show you my setup. Setup is very easy and anybody can do it. This is a very easy setup. You can see the incense sticks are placed on tabletop and a flash is just behind the incense sticks and a Maggrid is placed on it. A Maggrid is from Magmod system and I have mentioned this in my previous video also. What it will do, it will confine all the light on the smoke and it will avoid the spill. At the side of incense sticks I have placed a black side of the 5-in-1 reflector so that everything is blacked out and no white background is visible. I will be using two lenses. One will be 50mm and second will be my 100mm, my favorite. So let's see how the shots come out. My settings are shutter speed 1/200, aperture 4, ISO 100 and my flash power is 1/16. Now the question is how to focus. There are two ways which you can focus. One is back button focus, which I always use. So you don't have to worry about the focus and refocusing, because once you press the back button focus, it will remain like that unless you press it again. I will explain this in another video. And another is by placing something in the focal plane like this thing in focus on this wallet and place your camera on tripod, or you just don't move so that the focus always remains at this focal plane only. Right now I am using a 50mm 1.8 STM. I am focusing only on the smoke. We can change the color of the flash also by placing a colored gel. We can even experiment with some props, like I have placed a teapot and I will place the incense sticks just behind the pot and it will create an illusion that smoke is coming from it. Hope you like this video, and I'm sure many of you will do smoke photography today. And if you don't get the results, don't get disappointed. Please practice again and again. You have your SD card. You can delete all your bad images and refill again with good ones. If you learned something, please like the video and please share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. I will definitely answer them. And I will see you in the next video. Stay at home, practice your photography, learn whatever you want to learn. Just keep shooting, keep growing.